So I've been watching the NQ. No surprise
NQ
there,
trade
right?
alert.
And yeah, I think I'm just going to pass on this. I just, I have the stair stepping that I identified, okay, but I could have jumped in over here. It's just not my preference. And what bothers me about taking this signal is we put in a lower high here, and then again here. If this had come straight down and given me a yellow entry, I probably would have taken it. So, or if this had given me a double bottom down here, I would have liked that a lot more. I need to see.
NQ trade alert.
I need to see something more that we're going to continue with this, and this isn't the end. Like we just topped out or something. Okay, so finally we broke out through one of these resistance levels, so that's a good sign. So this might have been a good entry after all. Try and be picky. That's all I can tell you, is try and be picky. You're just, ideally you're looking for that one entry.
NQ trade alert.
But sometimes you have to take 2 or 3. I get it, it happens.
NQ trade alert.
But if you have the right attitude, I'm being picky. I'm looking to just choose one entry, and a really good one. That's the mindset. Okay, so let's see what happens here. With this support right here. This is good. We broke higher.
NQ trade alert by signal 1.
All right, so now we need some follow through, right? We know we have volume, we know we have momentum, otherwise we wouldn't have gotten the signal, but there's no way of projecting follow through. There's no indicator for follow through.
Target filled.
Risk is off. We're trailing. Got our first and second target. And we're trailing at 24 ticks. So after you get your second target, stress-free, because wow. Stress-free because you have 2 of your 3 targets, and your third target is brought to break even when you get your second target. So all risk is off the table.
Stop filled.
55 plus 58 plus 29 is 142 ticks. NQ is $5 per tick. 142 times 5 is 710. Nice. Nice trade. 710. So we entered right here. I'd like to mark my trades. I suggest you do the same. And so just to review, I had been watching early in the morning. We had the stair stepping. I did not mark this breakout over here though originally, but I was really hoping for a yellow entry, and I didn't get it, and this got a little messy over here, so it made me hesitate. I passed on this entry right here only because we had put in this lower high and again another lower high. But once we broke out of this high here and I put a higher low here, boom, 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 that's why I chose to go ahead and take this entry right here. So I hope that explanation helps as a review. Trying to do better.
NQ trade alert.
Requests from students asking me to review more. And that's it. It's practice. Spend the time, put in the hours, and you'll get there. Just stick at it, guys, okay? Have a good one.